Dozens of people have died in the U.S. as an extreme winter storm continues to batter parts of the country, with a blizzard causing dangerous travel conditions. The storm unleashed its full fury on Buffalo in the state of New York, with hurricane-force winds causing whiteout conditions. More than 300,000 homes and businesses found themselves without power on Christmas Eve. Thousands of flights have been canceled during the festive period. The storm is nearly unprecedented in its scope, stretching from Canada to the Texas border.
So thick and heavy that
About 60% of the U.S. population faces some sort of winter weather advisory or warning.